Painted days before his death, Vincent Van Gogh's Wheat Fields After the Rain, the Plain of Auvers, provides a window into one of art history's most tragic endings. I'm Emily Mirales, curatorial assistant for fine arts at Carnegie Museum of Art, where this masterwork is on view. Let's take a closer look. The sun-soaked landscape and cheerful appearance of this scene contrast the circumstances of Van Gogh's life at the time this painting was created. In May 1890, recently discharged from an asylum, the Post-Impressionist painter moved to the town of Auvers-sur-Oise, 17 miles northwest of Paris. Under the care of Paul Gachet, a homeopathic doctor, Van Gogh became incredibly productive, painting a remarkable 70 canvases in just over 2 months. In a letter sent to his mother and sister, the artist described the solace he found in the countryside, writing, "The trouble I had in my head has considerably calmed. I am completely absorbed in that immense plain covered with fields of wheat against hills boundless as the sea, in delicate colors of yellow and green, everything under a sky of delicate blue, white, pink, and violet. I am almost too calm, a state that is necessary to paint all that." As one of Van Gogh's last paintings, perhaps Wheat Fields was not a respite from the rain, but a calm before the final storm that would end his troubled yet brilliant life.